Hey guys, welcome back to IO1. This is Steve here. I apologize, there hasn't been a lot of updates with this channel recently because there just hasn't been a lot of new things that have come across my hands. One thing that has happened in our city is that we've been having lots of major rainstorms and it's been causing a lot of flooding here and there in the city. And even in our house, we've been getting small leaks here and there, not because of the rainstorm, but just in general. And I thought it would be a great idea to see if there's any product out there that could help prevent this. So I came across the Govee Water Leak Detector, and this is what I have here. We're going to do an unboxing for you so you can take a look at what's inside. So here it is, the Govee Water Leak Detector. I bought the 6 sensor with 1 hub edition. It's the version 2, so a couple of specs about it. It is a Wi-Fi connected module. It has a range of about 400 meters. It has IP66 water protection, so if it gets major flooding, it can actually survive that as well. It uses a battery which has a 2-year battery life. And in terms of the sound, it has about 100 decibels in terms of audible sound. I purchased this directly from Govee website and I bought it for, on discount of course, $79.20 Canadian. So let's get right into the unboxing. Shipped to me in a little kind of plastic wrap box. Let's cut it open. And we have another box or another packaging. So let's cut this one off as well. So ideally, actually, I wanted to get this and pair it up with a smart water valve. So I wanted to connect that valve to my main water line so that if I do get an alert, I can either manually shut off the main water line or I can maybe automate it. So if in the future I do get that smart water valve, I will make a follow-up video to explain to see if I can connect it and how it was connected or whether it doesn't connect properly. Okay, so this is the Govee Life. And the box specifically is for the 6-pack. So as you can see right here, on the front, it says Govee Life, Wi-Fi Smart Gateway with Water Leak Detector, and it has a 2 for version 2. The version 1 actually has a smaller range, so I believe it was 60 meters in terms of distance. It can pair up to 10 sensors, whereas this one you can actually purchase up to 100 sensors and put it around the house and the hub will still be able to handle it. The battery life on this one is better, it's 2 years versus the 1 year on the version 1. So if you get a chance and you're going to purchase it, I would probably recommend the version 2. All right, so on the box, basically tells you what there is. This model itself is H5043 and then H5058. So one of them is probably the sensors and one of them is probably the hub. Okay, so let's open this up and take a look. So I anticipate that this video will be quite short. We're just going to take a look inside. I probably won't be able to show you how it actually connects at this time. Okay, so in the box, we have, first of all, the Govee kind of introduction. It just has a little tag here. It has some stickers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so that you can stick it onto your different sensors. And then I believe this is the user manual. Yep, so it shows you how to connect it and where to place it and how to use it basically. In the box, there is 1 hub. So it has a plug, so you can plug it in somewhere, and it has a button at the bottom. It's probably to help connect it to your internet. And then we have 6 of these sensors. So this is kind of what we're interested in. So you can see here, they look almost identical, except that the back is a little bit different. So on the front, it just says Govee, and then it has a metal contact here at the front, which I'm not entirely sure what's that for. I haven't read the manual. On the back, there's a pull tab for the battery. So it does come included with the battery. You can actually unscrew it and replace the battery every 2 years, so that's kind of good. You don't have to get new ones. And then in terms of the connections, there are 4 metal connectors here, which I believe are used to detect water. So you can actually connect this to a pipe, and if there's a leak coming through and it touches one of those contacts, then it should make an audible sound. Or you can just put it on the floor, and if there's water that enters above a certain level, it will also sound as well. Oh, the front one is also a detector as well. So if there's water that comes up and it hits that, then it will make a sound as well. So really, I personally think these are really good for maybe catastrophic floods. So something that's filling up very quickly, perhaps behind the toilet, which is a good option. But some of those water leaks, if you under the sink, it might not be that great unless there's enough of water coming through that it actually catches it. So in the box, there are 6 of these, okay? And they all look identical. They all have batteries in them. So anything else in the box? Not really, actually. That's really all there is. Let's take this apart. Yep, that's it. So I'm guessing you plug this in, you follow the instruction manual to connect it to your Wi-Fi or your router, and then these will automatically connect to this. There is an app that you use, probably the Govee Light app, the Govee Life app, sorry. And then from there, we can probably try to hook up the smart valve. So I'll let you know how it goes, and if I do get the smart valve, follow me for the follow-up video, and I'll show you how to connect it all together. All right, take care, stay safe, see you next time.